Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Fat Hippo. Today I will be playing a game called Too Many Cooks. And once again, it's on the same website that I've been playing a few of these games. Don't forget to subscribe and like below. And of course, leave a comment below saying that, asking me for more of these games. So let's get started. Take a break. Dinner rush starts in 165 seconds. Time to sleep. What? Alright. That's a break. Wow. Who says I want to take a break? No. I can't. Okay. Let's see. Bye. I live in India. It's night. Bye. Storage. Ooh, a potato. Nice. Dinner rush. What? This isn't dinner rush. Oh my gosh, there's dinner rush. Alright. Let's get some food. Alright. Cool. Whoa, 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 what just happened? Oh, thank you. Hello? Oh, duh. Dummy. Alright, let's see. Cutting board. No, oh, why? Why? I don't care about this, alright? Go back. Alright. No? Alright. Take a break there. Well, how am I supposed to do this? Take some uncooked rice, this, and this. Got it. Cook it at the sink. Oh yeah, got me some rice. And peeled potato. And of course we'll take some dough. Right. Canned soup base. Oh, this is where we go over here, I'm pretty sure. Did we come over here? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Nice. Huh? Still can't buy a good pizza. This is not the first time I played this game, by the way. But ooh, French fries. Who wants some French fries? I got French fries. French fries? Anybody want some French fries? Here you go. Bye bye. Does anybody want some rice? Is this ready? Food not ready. Aw. Alright. Grill. Spaghetti. Oh, how do I get meatballs? Alright. Here's the deck. Nope. Premium. I ain't gonna waste a coin. Fun. Let's get some pizza. No room in inventory. Huh. I am so confused right now. Get out of the way. I wanted a pizza. Go to the deck and press left click to buy a hairnet. I don't get a hairnet. Hey, I want it. Oh my gosh. Intro. Game. Alright, I want a hairnet. Give me a hairnet. 4x4. Oh, it's not opening. Really? Tisk tisk. Can't you open? Find that. I'm only level 3. Alright. Alright. Order it. Lots of pizza. Who wants a pizza? Anybody want pizza? That is how you get rid of it. Loser, your food's not ready. Anybody else want pizza? I got a lot. Yeah, you get out of here, you. Oh, more pizza? More pizza? Yep. Oh man. Oh man, there's a lot of you guys. Why do you guys go so fast? Right. Come on, boys, we need more food! Let's go! Hey, by the way, where'd you get that hairnet? You want some chicken? Nobody? Okay. I don't know where to get raw ground beef, bro. Well, since I'm completely clueless, we might decide to give up. Who wants pizza? Here you go. Take it away. We need a lot of pizza. Alright. Whoop. Who's waiting for some pizza? I had all the pizza you could ever want. Get out of here, all you. There we go. Not too shabby. Alright. Well, let's end this video on good terms, am I right? Yes. Let's do so. Alright. Thank you guys for watching this video. Once again, another video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video down below. And don't forget to comment below if you have any more suggestions or games you want me to play. And see you in the next video. Bye!